Hey guys, my name is Lalit Bessi and welcome to second HTML5 video tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be introducing you to HTML5 basic structure. Let's assume we have a body of the web page, a normal body. We have the page header, site name, logo search, we have the main navigation panel, we got the main content of the body, article title, article metadata, article content, we got the sidebar, and we got the page footer. Now you may be asking a question to yourself that we can do all these things from HTML 4.01 and in XHTML 1.0. What's new about it? Well, the new thing about it, we got a header element in HTML5. Now you may be asking a question to yourself again, what's the use of header element? Well, consider it like this. If you want to add a logo in your web page, you will be using a div tag. If you want to add a bunch of images, you will be using a div tag. If you want to add a bunch of articles, you will be using div tags for navigation, div tags for footer, div tags for sidebar, div tags for every particular element. You will be using div tags, but not in HTML5. HTML5 is divided into sections, like header goes in header element, sidebar goes in sidebar aside element, navigation goes in nav element, footer goes in footer element, stuff like that. So header element can contain the site name, logo, and search like that, search stuff like that, and navigation element contain all the navigation panel stuff. Article element contains all the paragraph, heading, and the body, and the formatting text can be contained in the article header element, and the section element is also included in the body section of the HTML5. We got a side element for the sidebar, and we got footer element for the footer of the web page in the HTML5. Now I'm going to showing you what the heck I'm talking about. Okay guys, so here we are. As you can see, this is an XHTML strict document type, as you can see right here, and it's an XHTML web page. We have HTML tag, language attribute, we have the head tag, meta tag used in it, and then we got to use div tag for site name, div tag, we got navigation tag in the div tag, li for list, div tag again for the main content, div id, and we got heading, and we got also heading in the div tag, all the paragraphs in the div tags, and we got a sidebar in the div tag too. And then we end the HTML and the body tag, as you can see right here. So many divs, but in the new HTML5 document, you can see right here we have the new doc type. As you can see right here, this two words is the doc type. In the next video I'm going to show you how to write the new doc type. Don't worry about this new doc type right now. It's a basic structure, and just focus on basic structure, and that's it. We got HTML opening tag, head tag, header tag, and the new thing is we got the header tag right here with id head class, which consists of site name, and we got close header tag, and we got the navigation tag for the main content, the navigation bar. You can see we got header tag, and then article. We got article tag for main content for are your articles, which consist of the content of your web page. We use header tag in the article tag, closed header tags. We got footer, aside for sidebar, and we can also use the HTML elements like heading and paragraphs in the aside as well as in the article. And finally we close the body tag and the HTML tag. So it's kind of like a basic structure of HTML5, and we can also have a new basic structure like this one too. This is also the basic structure of HTML5. As you can see, the doc type, the opening HTML tag, head tag with meta and title, and the closing tag, body tag. Body tag consists of header, the new HTML5 element, the navigation tag, closing header tag, the opening section tag. Section tags allows you to control your main content, which consists of article, which consists of header, and all that stuff. I'm going to talk about all these elements in the later videos. I'm just giving you a basic overview of the basic structure of HTML5. As you can see right here, we got closing article, closing section, aside element for sidebars, footer, closing footer, and closing footer tags, and then we just finally close the body and finally close the HTML tag. So So that's it for this video, and I've shown you the basic structure of XHTML and HTML5. So as you can notice that HTML5 is a bit simplified version and a little easier version to follow than using all those divs for everything. So that's it for this video. In the next video I'm going to show you how to use a new doc type, and that's it. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Your subscription means a lot to me, and once again, thank you for watching this video.